If your Amazon sales are flat or worse, they're going backwards, there's a really good chance it's not your ads, it's not your creative, and it's not even your price point. It's your competitor list. The amount of products that you're feeding into Helium 10 or Data Dive when you're doing this reverse ASIN research, they're probably wrong. And I see this all the time. And every keyword that you've built into your now campaigns is completely wrong based off the products that you've chosen, which means that your entire ad account is optimized for the wrong competitor. I'm gonna show you how to fix that in about 2 minutes. I built a skill that runs inside Claude Chrome extension. It reads your listing, it scans the category. It's gonna pull 5 to 20 products that are actually apples to apples, the same pack size, same format, same use case. And by the end of the video, I'm gonna be giving it to you for free. All right, so here's the part that nobody talks about. When you're doing a reverse ASIN research, the entire foundation is the products that you choose, okay? So if you put a bunch of products that are not similar, you're putting garbage in, garbage out. If you feed Cerebro 5 competitors that aren't actually direct competitors, but they're kind of competitors, every keyword that's going to spit back at you is going to be completely poisoned. And one of the biggest issues that I find when I look at accounts is exactly this. You'll bid on terms that don't match your buyer. You'll lose to the brand selling something completely different, and then you have no idea why. Your click-through rate's off, your conversion's off, and you can't win. Okay, so here's the trap. Picking the right competitors looks easy. But if you just type in the keyword that you think it is, and you grab the first 10 products, you grab similar ones that look similar, and then you move on, you are going to bleed forever. So let me show you what I mean. A few weeks ago, I'm doing research for one of my clients. Better for you snack brand. I open up Amazon, search the main keyword, and the top results look like obvious competitors. Same shelf, same category, same buyer. So I dropped them in my reverse ASIN tool. Looks completely off. Keywords are not right. I'm not getting what I thought I was gonna get back. The search volume's there, but the relevance is completely off. Therefore, so I went back and looked at the products that I picked, side by side, detail by detail, going really deep. And what I found stopped me cold. One of them was a different pack size, completely different. Single serve versus these multi-packs. One had totally different protein source. One was marketed to a completely different end use. Pre-workout versus afternoon snack. They look like competitors on the search page, truthfully. They were not competitors at the customer level though. Which means if I would have gone through with that, the keyword list that I would have built would have been completely wrong, even though certain things looked right. And this is the part that bothers me. I've been doing this for years. I built and sold my own CPG brand. We ran tons of volume on Amazon. I now run an agency that does this every single day. And I, who has been doing this for 10 years, almost missed this. All right, so the reason I'm telling you this is because it can happen all the time. It's happening to you, it's happening to me, it's happening to whoever's running your account. Most people are not picking the right Amazon competitors. They aren't reading every single bullet point. They aren't checking the ingredient panel. They're not comparing pack counts versus formats versus all these other things. They're just scrolling and taking their best guess. They mean well, but they're not doing it right. But the customer does not guess. The customer's knowing exactly what they want. And so I'm gonna show you exactly how this will happen. And the big question that I already know the answer to is, how do you do this right without spending 30 minutes per ASIN doing manual research? You don't. Do this. You're gonna let Claude do it. I've built a skill inside Claude Chrome extension. I'm gonna drop it in the comments for you guys in the description down below. It opens up your listing. It's gonna read through the title. So let's go through this. You're gonna pick a product. You're gonna choose the ASIN. You're going to go into the Claude extension. You're going to use this Amazon competitor finder. It's going to take you back to the homepage and you're going to press enter. It's going to ask sometimes to go through all of the information on this. It's going to go out into the category and find 5 to 20 different products that match across every one of those dimensions, okay? Not products that look similar, products that are similar. It catches the stuff that the human eye is going to miss. So it's going to go through the entire page. It's going to figure out the protein source. It's going to figure out the pack size. It's going to figure out the end use. It's going to figure out all of the factors that you and I may not have noticed right away. So as we're running this, I'll show you some things that I've done with a client of mine. So after running this, you'll see the full ASIN list here of all of the competitors. And again, we started with this rhodiola rosea supplement, right? Just random product that I'd seen. And ignore all the sponsored stuff. And you'll see right away, these are very similar, usually in price point, usually product, what it includes, all of the different sources. Now they may be a little bit different milligrams, they may be a little bit different count, they may be a little bit different, but they're very similar. So now that you've run that, what you're gonna do, I like to go through and do this through Data Dive, where I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna choose all of these that are not sponsored. Make sure to look at the sponsored here and add these to your tray. It's already done it, okay? You can trust it, go through it, double check it just in case. And you're gonna look through all of this. And you can see these ones that are obviously not the right ones. You go through data dive, and I'm gonna do all of these here. We're gonna create new, it's gonna be, okay, so I'm just doing a test here to see how it ends up going. Now it's gonna give you a full, real reverse ASIN search. So now that you've actually got the data that are actually keywords that are relevant to your customer, now you can build campaigns around all these terms. You can match what your buyer is actually wanting. It just takes 3 steps. So step 1, you're going through and running the Claude skill on your Chrome extension. Step 2, you're taking that list and dropping it into the Cerebro. Now that you've got this, go through and adjust and find any of these terms that are actually not relevant. Now on Data Dive, it's great because it'll tell you these are less relevant than others. Now use your brain through this part and see how it actually works. And look, I'm not going to pretend that this is going to completely replace a human. It doesn't. You still need to know what someone is looking for, right? You need to know the actual product. You need to be able to audit this and QA it. But what this does is it makes sure that the foundation is right, because the foundation is almost always where people start bleeding money. I'm giving you this entire thing, all of this right here. Okay, totally free. You can use it on every single one, completely free. So go to the link in the description, drop your email. I'm going to send you the exact skill file. You can copy this, paste it within your Chrome extension. And seriously, I mean, it is an absolute game changer. If you're a CPG brand owner, or if you're running the e-com for a brand on Amazon and your sales are flat, let's start here. Fix the foundation before you touch the ads. And that link is below. Go grab it now.